Hello and welcome to the Kenneth for Camel Lovis Legal Podcast. In this edition, we look at the New Jersey Supreme Court case of State versus L.H., where the court looked at the confessions, and here the Supreme Court held the police false promise of no jail and leniency requires suppression of the confession. That's State versus LH, docket number A-59-17, decided July 22, 2019. The primary issue in this appeal is whether the interrogation techniques, including false promises of leniency, induced the defendant LH to confess to 2 alleged sexual assaults and 1 attempted sexual assault. And did this overbore the defendant's will. In this context, the court had to determine whether the state proved beyond a reasonable doubt that under the totality of the circumstances, whether the defendant's confession was voluntary. So what the court held here was the state failed to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that under the totality of the circumstances here, defendant's statement was voluntary. The defendant would be permitted to withdraw his guilty plea. The court also held the failure to record the identification procedure as required a remand to allow the defendant the benefit of a hearing to inquire into the reliability of the identification and any remedy deemed appropriate by the trial court. And that's State versus LH. For other information on criminal cases, visit website njlaws.com, and for representation, contact Kenneth Verkamen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.